So the size of the credit card market is huge globally. There are some 7 billion cards out there. 1.9 billion MasterCards, 2.2 billion Visa, and 2.5 billion China Union Pay cards. It is a huge industry. With this technology, we can match the credit card industry with smartphone technologies. Last year, over 1 billion smartphones were sold in the market. In markets like Australia, 85% of all phones are now smartphones. This technology allows us to do is to merge the two and bring them together.
What we also find is that the number of smartphones, which is around 1.4 to 2 billion smartphones, is exactly the same number as the number of credit card holders. So what we'll find is that is the target market for this technology. Anyone with a smartphone that holds credit cards can use this technology to pay.
GeminiX can be used with any kind of phone, any platform, and any bank's payment instrument like any cards. So it's completely independent from any technologies.
So how does a transaction with the GeminiX system work? Step 1. You take your phone and you interact with your wallet in the cloud and you choose the card you want to use for your next payment. Step 2. You tap your mobile phone to the retail terminal and make the payment with your mobile phone. The terminal recognizes it as a normal transaction and sends the transaction to the merchant bank. The merchant bank routes the transaction to the card issuer. The card issuer recognizes it's a wallet card and sends an authorization request to the wallet. So when the issuer recognizes that it's a wallet card, it then sends the transaction to the wallet sees that there was an interaction with the mobile phone and picks the card that the card holder chose. So it does a card substitution and authorizes the same transaction with that card.
The main parties that benefit from potentially owning or licensing this patented technology are the card issuers, because they can then control the wallet and they are the ones that control the customer relationship. The smartphone vendors, people like Samsung, iPhone, Microsoft, because they can integrate the wallet with the phone when it is sold to the customer. Then there are a number of non-bank entrants, people like PayPal, people like Google, people like Amazon that want to get into the payment industry and want to get into the wallet space. And then obviously traditionally the scheme operators, MasterCard, Visa, Amex, China Union Pay. It's great technology to have to be able to enable mobile payments anywhere in the world.